Let me help you. Let me help you.
This is an emergency. There's a man with a gun. He was pointing at us. We just ran, but he's there. There was another lady that he was pointing at too.
Oh, he's got tattoos all over his face, bro.
Hey, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move.
X46, we're code 6 on the suspect. Give me a backup, 415 man with a gun. We're right in front of Nate's Cafe. Lift up your hands. Hands in the air. All the way up. All the way up. All the way up.
Hey, can you leave me alone, dog? I'm on probation.
Hey, don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Don't reach for it! Okay, we gotta go less lethal. Okay. Go!
Hey! He's got a gun,
He's got a gun, guys!
Oh, shit! Hey, drop it! Yo! Hey! Fuck, man. Hey! Drop it! Hey! Drop it now! Drop it! I'm gonna shoot you! Drop it! Drop it now! Way 5, he's northbound Northgate, 83. Hey! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground now! Drop it! Drop it now! Drop it now!
Air Force One!
Drop it now, I'm gonna shoot you!
I'm doing this thing.
It's alright! It's alright, drop it now!
Let's go, sir.
Drop it now, it's okay! I'm gonna help you, hey! It's not a big deal, nothing happened, hey! Nothing happened, you're not in trouble! You're not in trouble, okay, drop it, okay, drop it! Drop it or you're not in trouble right now! I don't wanna hurt you! Don't be stupid! Don't be stupid! Drop it now, bro, come on, hey! I'm gonna take care of you, bro, trust me! Trust me, bro! Trust me, bro, hey! I'm gonna take care of you, bro! Hey, you're fine, hey! Let me help you. Let me help you. Drop it now. Shots fired. Shots fired. Officer needs help. I got it.
Hayes was not struck by gunfire, threw the handgun onto the ground, and then raised his hands. As officers approached Hayes in an attempt to take him into custody, he clenched his fists and attempted to strike them. The officers used firm grips and body weight and eventually took him into custody without further incident.
I'm gonna get him up. Get up, man, get up. Get up. You okay?
Yeah.
You were shot or anything?
No. No.
All units, officer needs help. Northgate and Topanga on State Health Station. Topanga shots fired in the area next to Topanga Freakers.
Marcus Hayes is a 27-year-old resident of Los Angeles. Investigators recovered Hayes' loaded 9mm semi-automatic pistol and a 15-round magazine at scene and booked it as evidence. Hayes was arrested for attempted murder. On November 19, 2025, the Los Angeles County District Attorney's Office filed the following charges against Hayes.
Have footage or a story the world should see? Share it with us. Have a tip or insight? Drop it in the comments. Every detail matters.